Okay, let me ask you something. Have you ever gone online just to check a product, not to buy it, just checking? And then suddenly you see only two left, sale ending in 1 hour, and your brain goes, wait, what if it finishes? Now you are stressed. Now you are calculating. Now you are convincing yourself you actually need it. 5 minutes ago, you didn't care. Now you are pulling out your card. That is not coincidence. That is marketing. And this is day number 1 of Genius Marketing Ideas, where we break down the smartest marketing tricks brands use to control demand. Today's idea is scarcity. Here's the truth. Humans don't move fast when something is available forever. But the moment something becomes limited, we panic. Why? Because we hate losing opportunities more than we love gaining them. It's psychological. If I tell you you can buy this anytime, you will say okay later. But if I say you have 10 minutes, your heart rate changes. Scarcity creates urgency, urgency creates action, action creates sales. Simple. Let me give you some real life examples so it will be really clear to you. Look at Amazon. When you are shopping, you will see only 3 left in stock. Lighting deal ends in 2 hours, and suddenly you are thinking, what if it goes out of stock? Now, logically, maybe there are more in the warehouse, but emotionally, you feel pressure, and emotion buys. Logic justifies. That's genius. Or take Superme. They don't sell products normally, they do drops. Limited quantities, one release, then gone. People literally stand in line for hours. Why? Because rare equals valuable. Scarcity creates status. If everyone can have it, it's normal. If only a few can have it, it's special. Scarcity works because we fear missing out. We assume limited things are better. We make faster decisions under time pressure. When there's no deadline, we procrastinate. When there's a deadline, we act. That's human nature. If you have a small business, even a small one, try this. Instead of saying discount available, say only 50 spots available. Instead of new product launched, say limited launched, first batch only. See the difference. Same product, different framing. Huge impact. But one warning. Fake scarcity destroys trust. Real scarcity builds demand. Remember this. The product didn't change. The price didn't change. Only the availability changed. And suddenly people wanted it more. That's the power of genius marketing. This was day number 1 of Genius Marketing Ideas. Tomorrow I'll be showing you why middle pricing option almost always wins. So thank you for watching this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you get all the new videos first.